Welcome to the Automotive Skill Lab where innovation meets expertise. Today, we take you on a journey through the assembly process and the inauguration of an extraordinary project, the e-rickshaw model crafted by the diligent hands of our students. Welcome to our e-rickshaw assembly. The process of assembling an eco-friendly e-rickshaw. First, ensure the main frame is level and secure all parts with bolts. Next, install the motor and battery, aligning the motor and ensuring tight connection with cables. Follow the wiring diagram carefully to connect the control unit and wiring harness. Attach the front and rear wheels, ensuring they are aligned and securely fastened, and install the suspension components for a smooth ride. Finally, assemble the seats, handlebars and other accessories, adjusting for comfort and control. Perform a thorough inspection to ensure everything is secure and functional. The many functions of our versatile e-rickshaw, a key asset in our daily operations. First and foremost, the e-rickshaw is essential for the transportation of materials, whether it's moving books to the library, sport equipments, or science supplies to the lab. This eco-friendly vehicle ensures everything gets where it needs to be efficiently and on time. Another critical function is waste management. The e-rickshaw helps keep our campus clean and green by transporting waste and recyclable to the appropriate disposal area, promoting a healthier environment for everyone. Beyond this task, the e-rickshaw is invaluable for various other campus logistics, from setting up for assemblies and transporting maintenance tools to assisting in emergency situation. It ensures smooth and effective campus operation.